as we welcome you to a football match of considerable significance, great consequence in this part of the world. They've been talking about this one for a while and they have rolled up to it in fantastic numbers. You should have seen the roads outside the ground in the hour or two leading up to it. It has been bumper to bumper, the traffic has been extraordinary, but the level of expectation is also very, very high. And these supporters who were queuing round the block for their tickets as soon as we knew the date of the fixture, well, now they can't wait for it to begin. And begin it will any second now. Moment of great pride, the anthems. This is the perfect game for all parties, not least the neutrals who've just come to enjoy it.
Well, on the face of it, Peter, we would appear to have a high-caliber meeting with very little at stake. But then you consider a chance for one or two of the fringe players to get a look in, and this becomes a big incentive. It changes the dynamic. So there's plenty at stake for them, which will do no harm to the energy levels and the overall conviction, and hopefully the style of contest.
And we're underway. Kenny. And it's got through. Keeps everyone guessing. Plenty waiting in the middle. That's a good block, but at the expense of a corner. Pele. And the weighted pass. He's got away. Can he finish? Stop. That wasn't easy.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Forward it goes. He just stood firm. Aye! And he has been fouled there. Pele! It is a fantastic goal! A finish right from the top draw! Produced a beauty. Santos trail at this early stage. How will they respond? Pepe. Gorgeous control there. Plays a clever pass. Hits one! Goal! Santos are back in business. So alert to the possibilities there, great stuff.
Oh, players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great coaching positions. How quick-minded was that?
has certainly made things interesting.
Oh, I think the coach will really be annoyed with that. The players were still thinking about their goal and just got caught napping.
Cole. Bella tries to get it forward quickly. Aimed long and direct. A real chance to break. Just brushed off the ball there. He's not played the ball, that's a foul. Clears it out of harm's way. Zico. Had a shot! Done very well to get to that.
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra sharp.
So midway through the first half, and it is a tight one. He's had a shot! They've scored! And they're back in front! That's wonderfully done. Crisp hit, true finish.
Well, most of those go high and wide because of their difficulty. He made it look like he does it every day.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for. Bongala. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Cuts it out. Back to the keeper. Gets it upfield. Shoots! Back of the net! They have done it! They have their equaliser! That is just remarkable, the amount of bend he got on that.
Well, the ball flight may be unpredictable, but the predictable part was the technique. It screamed goal all the way.
Quite a thriller this one's become. Has he picked him out? Ali! Looking for a decent ball in. Knocks it away. And the finish! Way. Tries to get it forward quickly. Loose ball, who's going to get that? I have to say, that was an exemplary tackle. Stopped him dead in his tracks. Zico. Hits one! Another save.
Well, look, believe me when I tell you that goalkeepers work harder than anyone else in training, and that's why, to be top class on match day, that was a majestic stop.
a worry or two.
Yeah, he may have snatched at that a bit, even though it was quite close.
Just brushed off the ball there. Pele! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well. And it's hoisted clear. Garno tries to get it forward quickly. Pele. Going through, he's gone for it! Slid it, big chance! Just off target.
That's a little unfortunate. He had a lot of people worried then.
Hyde. Looking for space out wide. Tune his rangefinder before the next one. And he just whacks it away. And that's been won straight back. And now the breakaway. Coutinho. Zico. Gets wrestled off the ball. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. That's been levered clear. Beto lobs it in gently. He's got it, and he's got time. And that has been clubbed away. And he's looking at the referee, and the referee is shaking his head. Aimed long and direct. Beautifully done. Oh, well defended, that had to be done. And he's there to hoof it away. Well played, he saw that coming. Raul, back to the keeper and try something new. Keeper's got good distance on that. Keeper's ball. The whistle goes for half-time, and it has been a pretty crazy game so far. Game played out in extraordinary fashion, and the scoreline underlines that. What a good half. They've gone blow for blow, and it's 2-2. And so we're off again. Leon. Pepe. Pele. Played into space out wide. That is terrific skill. Going for goal! Goal! Santos! And the game is well and truly turned on its head. That's no fluke, it's what he was there for.
Well, for me, that's just pure predatory brilliance. It's not so much the finish, but the way he read the situation when nobody else was even alert to it. It's fantastic.
Santos get themselves into the lead.
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
He's played him through. Coutinho plays it out to the wing. Garno. Scott. Ali. Oh, good interception. And the counter is on. Ways to get it forward quickly. Can he put it away? He goes long. And that'll go straight through to the keeper. Knocks it away. And that's a throw-in. Coutinho.
Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Here it is now, surely! And he's there to cut it out. Ali. Well positioned to make that interception. He spotted the run and played him through. Battles to win it back. Pepe. Pele. Plays it out to the flank. Well, it's normally around now that the managers think about making changes. And he's looking to shoot! Oh, taken with style! Well, you've got to say, the odds on him missing from there were very slim.
Yeah, and teamwork was key to that. A beautiful piece of engineering to set him free in the box.
This is quite a battle.
Yeah, for me, both sides are strong and well matched, and I think you need to be a good player to be out there right now.
Pepe, out towards the flank. Shoots! Oh, great save, real class.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Ide. Cole.
Thinking about the goalkeeper again, he really had to be at his best, didn't he?
Better. And it's got through. Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Crunching tackle. long and direct.
Santos showing a good level of intensity at this stage. They're calling on all their resources now.
Pepe. Tries to stroke it through. And the shot! A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Hoists it high. Nicely measured pass.
Jamaica merit full marks for their attitude and application in trying to win this. It means an awful lot, obviously.
Gets it upfield. Forward it goes.
There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed, but will they?
Pushes it out wide. Tries to get it forward quick. Pele! And that could come back to haunt them.
That had a lot resting on it, you know, Peter, and he's visibly cross with himself. Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
Pele! It's broken loose. Looking to go deep. And that's been levered clear.
Look, this can still go either way. It might be flowing one way, but there's still time for some ebb.
There is the final whistle. Terrific match. Universal commitment to attack. All square and rightly. No loser. Your final thoughts, Jim?
Yeah, this looked the most likely outcome, but we've had a...